The living room floor, the bedroom pergo,
yes,
a different wood in the kitchen, and now another different wood in the bathroom.
Yeah, I see that. I see.
And they made use of every nook and cranny. There's like a little linen closet next to the tub here. Good use of space, but
I mean, probably okay, isn't it? I'm Glenn.
And I'm Amber. And we're entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and parents in upstate New York.
We've been flipping houses for over a decade. It totally changed our lives and put us in the path of building the life that we choose.
So come along with us as we share a peek into our life and our business.
okay, so here's a bedroom. There's a lot going on in here.
A lot of different styles.
There's like a fake pergo floor. There's brick. It's not even brick. That's like paneling brick or something, isn't it?
I don't...
Yeah, look at the seam.
Yeah.
There's a seam there. And then the same kind of wood that's on the floor in the living room.
Well, not quite. It's got the knots, right?
Yeah, so does that.
Oh,
If you look
yes.
closely, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's just that this hasn't been walked on.
So windows are new, but they need to get painted. Well, they're not newer. They're double pane. I don't want to start replacing windows. Tell you what, let's do this. Let's go to the houses. Let's go to the rooms that make the most money, right? Kitchens and baths.
All right.
Let's go to that first. Let's have that discussion because that's where our money's made or lost is in the kitchen. But we haven't gotten that there yet. So she's tiny.
Galley kitchen, not my favorite.
Appliances are nice.
And there's not really a way to open this up. There's nowhere to open it up to. The
I
refrigerator's...
don't know if my kids even know what this is.
Did you ever see that video where they were like showing kids how to do the ones that went in a circle?
I don't know if our kids can figure this part out with the
I
dialing.
know.
It's very well. They can figure that part out. It's like a interesting. All right, a different kind of cabinet door on both sides, right? One's got grooves on it. One doesn't have grooves on it. White kitchen counter, more brick for the backsplash.
Yep.
So remember, we're trying to stick around 20,000. That's not going to happen, is it? We bought the house for 85. I think that comps are looking in the ones, depending on what we do to it, 150 to 180 range. Depends on what we do to it. You know, if we add more value, can we get more value? Now it'll be ready in the wintertime. Just some things to think about. So, all right, let's look at this two ways. So here, this is going to be a challenging one. So there's two ways. One, we leave it as it, not as is, but we clean it up. Leave the cabinets the way they are, bathroom the way it is. We just leave it. We just clean it up, paint it, and be done. Don't do anything to it. If there's repairs, we haven't seen the basement yet, but we got to see what that looks like. That's option one, and sell it for a lower dollar figure, not as a flip, but as a house that if someone wants to do stuff, they can. That's option one. Option two is your way. Spend lots of money. What's it going to cost?
It's only my way if it's the best business decision.
I know that. I mean,
yeah, there are so many textures. You've got texture
I know.
walls here.
So we're past the
textured
textures.
ceilings.
I know. We're past the textures. There's lots of them.
It's just funny what people
I
put
know.
together.
I know.
All right.
So, but
let's
we're
go look at the
past
bathroom.
that. So what's the cost of a new kitchen?
A whole. Well, no, because we don't have to do all new appliances. Appliances are $2,500. So if we just are buying the refrigerator, that's probably $1,000. I don't love the floors, but we could probably get away with this kitchen for $7,000 because it's a smaller kitchen.
So let's call it $7,000. All right, we're $7,000 for the kitchen. So what's the rest of the house look like? So we got
the bathroom has.
We have 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, wait.
1, 2, 3.
The bathroom has a different color hardwood fake floor. So we've got the living room floor, the bedroom pergo, a different wood in the kitchen, and now another different wood in the bathroom.
Yeah, I see that. I see.
And they made use of every nook and cranny. There's like a little linen closet next to the tub here. Good use of space, but
I mean, probably okay, isn't it?
I mean,
it's very country, but it's not. I mean, are there things we can do with the trim? Just caulk and.
Yeah, that I can work with. Again, we have that same ceiling in here.
Well,
but yes, we could fix the cracks. I'd probably put a new top on there, and then paint that white.
All right, so the moment of truth. What are we gonna do with this house? Clearly, you don't like the textures.
The thing about the textures is, if you're going to live in a house, I think by all means you should do what floats your boat.
Of course.
You know, it's your home. Do what you like. But when you're going to sell a house, you have to make it appealing to the largest number of buyers.
Yeah.
You know, even our house. Like, I love color. I mean, my 14-year-old daughter's room is zebra print on 2 walls,
Yeah, it is.
and blue on another wall. And then, you know, our 6-year-old daughter's ceiling is painted like the sky with sun, rainbow, and turquoise walls. So,
Right. Good
you
point.
know, even if we sold our house, we'd have to
Yeah.
make it appeal to the largest number of buyers.
That's why we got a good deal in this house, though, because it does have a lot of pieces that are not lined up together, and things aren't finished, and there's some problems. So that's why we got a good deal. And plus, this is a great family that sold this house to us. She's actually on our TV commercials, which is great.
Yeah.
But they actually moved to Florida, which all the
I don't blame her.
today. I don't blame her one bit. So what I want to do, so let's do this.
If we just do the easy option and not do a full reno, we still have to deal with the basement.
We do. And we're going to
Because that would scare a buyer off.
$3 to $5 grand to fix that basement. We have some
So let's
plumbing
say
to fix
5.
down there. Yeah, let's call it 5.
Let's say on the high side
And then
of
we
that.
gotta fix. Then we gotta fix all of this up here, which we still have to paint the floors. We still have to do all that. So now we're talking about.
We're gonna paint the floors.
I don't like her today, just so we're clear. Anywho, I love her, but I just don't like her today. So let's think about numbers. What's the math on it?
So 65 with the basement and the floors.
Yep.
If we don't really do much to the kitchen.
We've got to paint though. We have to clean and paint.
So painting's gonna be $2,000 in this house.
So we're 10 grand. I mean, all day long we're 10 grand. We got to fix some things. We got to do plumbing work.
Yep.
Plumbing downstairs. We got to do the walls.
There's some patching in there by that little foyer.
There is, and we leave it alone. So let's say that we'll be minimum 15 grand to clean this place up. By the time we're out, we got to paint the front porch.
Yep.
There's just stuff to do. We'll be 15 grand all day long with that. So 15 grand, pay 85. You got 5 grand for buying and selling costs. So we're 90 grand into it. So 15 grand. So we're 115. We sell it for those numbers are small. Those numbers are small for a quick turnaround. If we sell it for 140 and we're into it for 115, it's 25,000. I don't know. Or if we how much more? What? I know that was fast math.
Yeah, we
Go
bought
ahead.
it for 85, and
Yeah.
then you're saying we have 15 into it. That's 100.
Plus another.
Another 5 for buying. Yeah, another 5 for buying and selling costs. That's 105,000.
Yeah. What did I say?
You said 115.
I was testing you. You passed.
Thank
Good job.
you.
Good job.
So no,
105,
that's still a 30. If we sell it for 140, that's a $35,000 profit.
Yeah. Okay.
That's not bad for not doing much work to it.
No. So then if we fix it up, what do we do then?
So if we fix it up, we're into it for probably 40.
Yeah, I think we're
And
into it for
renovation
40.
costs.
So and then we got 5 grand for holding costs, buying, sell costs, all that kind of stuff. So we're looking at what? 125. Let's call it 130. Went to it. We sell it for 170.
And then we sell it for 170.
About
so
40.
yeah. So we have to just put
Right?
lipstick on this and.
Well, I don't like calling saying put lipstick on it.
No.
We got to clean it up, and make it look good.
We have to do
We're not
it-
hiding anything. We got to make it
No.
look good.
Yes.
But we got to make it look good. We got to do our thing. So let's make it look pretty, and let's. Yeah, that's our decision. Right?
Yeah. Yep.
Move on from there. We'll
Yep.
tell the team. All right. On the next one.